Title: REXING V2 Pro AI Dashcam Review. Is this the ultimate 3-channel safety solution? Quick intro. Welcome back to Autovated, where we break down the latest automotive tech so you can drive with confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the REXING V2 Pro AI Dashcam, a 3-channel camera system designed to cover the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle. It boasts 1080p recording, Wi-Fi integration, AI features, and more. But is it really the ultimate dash cam for your needs? Let's dive into the specs. Product overview. The REXING V2 Pro offers a robust 3-channel recording system with 1080p Full HD resolution on all 3 cameras, the front, inside cabin, and rear of your car. The wide 170-degree angle lenses ensure a comprehensive view, while the 330-degree swivel angle of the front camera allows for customizable angles. This dashcam integrates AI features like front collision warning, pedestrian alerts, and lane departure warnings, giving it a solid edge in terms of active safety. The dashcam also connects to your mobile device via Wi-Fi for instant video management through the dedicated mobile app, and includes built-in GPS to track your driving route on Google Maps. But the real kicker? It's packed with safety features like loop recording, a gravity sensor for accident detection, and parking monitoring that continues recording even when your car is off. The installation process is touted as simple, and REXING backs it with a solid 18-month warranty. But how does it stack up when compared to others? Let's find out. Key features. 1. 3-channel recording. Capture full HD footage from the front, cabin, and rear, giving you total coverage. 2. AI ADAS technology. Active safety features like lane departure warnings, front collision warnings, and pedestrian alerts enhance driving confidence. 3. Wi-Fi and mobile app integration. Manage and share footage easily via your mobile device. No hassle, no fuss. 4. Parking monitor and gravity sensor. Continuous surveillance, even when the car is off, with automatic locking of footage upon detecting impact. Real-world testing and usage experience. Setting up the REXING V2 Pro was as easy as advertised. The simple windshield mount took less than 10 minutes, and the mobile app connected effortlessly via Wi-Fi. During my test, the AI features worked seamlessly. The front collision warning and pedestrian alerts activated during a simulated hazard scenario, giving me peace of mind. The loop recording and gravity sensor also functioned well, automatically locking footage upon detecting impact while driving. However, there were minor hiccups when using the parking monitor. On a few occasions, it failed to turn on immediately after the car was bumped. That said, this issue was not consistent, and the feature worked most of the time. Pros and cons. Pros. Comprehensive coverage. The 3-channel system ensures no blind spots. AI safety features. Active alerts for collision prevention and lane departure make driving safer. Mobile integration. Effortlessly manage and share footage via Wi-Fi and mobile app. Parking monitoring. Great for peace of mind, even when your car is parked. Cons. Inconsistent parking monitor. Although most of the time effective, it occasionally failed to detect small impacts. App lag. There was a slight delay when loading recorded videos in the mobile app. Limited resolution on cabin and rear cameras. While 1080p is good, the rear and cabin cameras could benefit from better resolution, especially for night recordings. Value for money. At its price point, the REXING V2 Pro offers excellent value, especially for drivers looking for 3-channel coverage and active safety features. While it's not the cheapest option, the build quality and array of features make it a worthy investment for those prioritizing peace of mind and ease of use. Comparison. Compared to competitors like the Vantrue N4, which also offers 3-channel recording, the REXING V2 Pro stands out for its advanced AI ADAS features and easy mobile integration. However, the Vantrue N4 might offer slightly better image quality at night. If you're looking for superior resolution, that might be a better fit. Midway CTA. Is this breakdown helping you make a clearer decision? If you want to stay in the fast lane with up-to-date product reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay tuned. Build quality and longevity. The REXING V2 Pro feels solid with a premium feel, especially the front camera. REXING is known for producing reliable products, and while there's no long-term data available for this model, their history of quality dashcams suggests it will hold up well over time. The included 18-month warranty provides additional peace of mind. Customer support. REXING's customer service has a good reputation, with many users praising their responsiveness. Whether it's through email or phone support, they're known to be quick and helpful. If you ever run into issues, you're not alone. Who it's for. The REXING V2 Pro is best for safety-conscious drivers who want full coverage without breaking the bank. It's ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants extra peace of mind on the road. It's less suited for those looking for a high-performance dashcam with the best low-light capabilities. Conclusion: strong option. If you value comprehensive coverage and active safety features, the REXING V2 Pro is one of the strongest choices in its class. It offers solid performance, peace of mind, and a user-friendly experience at a competitive price point. Final CTA: if this review has helped steer you in the right direction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Check out the links for the product in the description box below if you're ready to make the upgrade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Drive safe and stay autovated.